Hi there, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center.
Steve Eckman, Universal Accounting Services. I'm the accounting director for that company.
Very good. Well, Steve, I'm excited to have you here for a few quick reasons. One, I'd like you to just basically share how accounting, tax is a good business to be in.
The obvious answer is every business needs it. They don't understand that they need it a lot of times. They think they're doing great on their own. They're keeping their own books. They think they're doing it for nothing. They aren't. They're not out producing. But every business needs it. Therefore, it's a natural market. It's not a niche market. Everyone needs it.
Very good. Very good. Now, you've been doing this obviously from home and also from an office environment. I'm kind of curious, what's your opinion on each?
Well, I think you've come to a point that maybe you need to get an executive office or something. If you've got a lot of clients coming that you've got to meet with in restaurants or something like that, I think there comes a point. But to start with, it's fine from home. As you build clients, you can go and you can meet at a Denny's, you can meet at any restaurant whatsoever, just in a public place, a library, and meet with clients. But I think when it gets to the point where you've got 15 or 18 of those, you really need someplace you can sit down.
Very good. Yeah, the advice I always tell the students when I'm working with them are a few things. One, if you find that you cannot work in a home environment because of the distractions, perhaps the young family or whatever, you do need to remove yourself and be in a position where you can be focused and work. So sometimes that's a precursor that determines you can't work at home, you got to get an office. But most people, they find that they can designate a space, work from home very comfortably. And when it comes to clients, you're right, they don't come to your house. You go to them, and if you have any clients that are actually working from home as well, you need to meet with them at a public venue. So it's like you suggested, a restaurant, a library, someplace that is a public venue that gives you an opportunity to meet with them. And it can be a social setting like a restaurant, or it can be an executive suite. Either's fine. But the last thing is I do feel that there comes a point in size where you may find yourself, because of perhaps hiring employees, you don't want them working out of your home, so you need an office space. So there are those times where it evolves naturally into then needing the office space. And then sometimes location can become that variable. But you can easily and successfully do this from home. Right?
Oh, absolutely.
Very good. So last question for you. Your growth that you've experienced over the last 3 or 4 years, what kind of market are you experiencing? What kind of things are you having happen in your business?
The exciting thing about this business, when you get to a certain point, for instance, we started with no clients. We've got 38 today. It's been about 4 years. But now I'm at the point where I do a lot of networking. I do a lot of things, for instance, with BNI, and it's wonderful. I've gotten a lot of clients out of there. But now I'm at the point where I'm getting a lot of referrals, and that's the exciting thing. I don't necessarily need to go beat on as many doors. And that's fun to have people come to you.
That's true. It's always nice to be referred. Somebody thinks highly of you, and that's good. Well, Steve, thank you for coming and sharing some of these things with you. And remember this, accounting success is universal.
And it has to do with accounting. It is universal. And thank you, Roger.
You bet. Have a great day.